Every second, millions of people open TradingView. They watch prices move. Candles form. Charts update instantly. But here's the question almost no one asks: where do these prices actually come from? Who sends them? And how does TradingView handle millions of charts at the same time? What looks simple is actually one of the fastest data pipelines in the world. Let's start at the very beginning. TradingView does not create prices. Prices are born inside exchanges. When someone buys or sells a stock, crypto, or currency, that trade happens on an exchange. For example, Apple stock trades on exchanges like Nasdaq. Bitcoin trades on crypto exchanges like Binance or Coinbase. Forex prices come from banks and liquidity providers. Every single trade creates a tiny data point called tick data. Thousands of ticks happen every second, raw, fast, and unfiltered. So how does TradingView get this data? Through licensed, high-speed data feeds. Exchanges send TradingView a continuous stream of information: price, volume, time, and trade details. But there's a problem. Every exchange sends data in a different format. Before you see a chart, TradingView must process everything. It cleans the data, removes errors, aligns timestamps, and standardizes formats. Think of it like this: exchanges speak different languages. TradingView acts as the translator. Only after translation is the data ready to become a chart. Now comes the part most people don't know. Exchanges do not send candlesticks. TradingView builds them live. From millions of individual price ticks, TradingView calculates 4 values: open, high, low, and close. This happens separately for every time frame: 1 minute, 5 minutes, 1 hour, and 1 day. Same raw data, but with different grouping creates different candles. Your chart isn't static, it's being rebuilt every second. Now let's talk about speed. TradingView doesn't refresh pages repeatedly. Instead, it uses live data streams. Only charts that are open, visible, and active receive updates. If 1 million users open the same chart, TradingView doesn't send 1 million copies. It sends one live stream and shares it intelligently. That's why charts stay fast, even during extreme market volatility. Behind the scenes, TradingView runs on global cloud servers, load balancing systems, regional data centers, and intelligent caching. Users in different parts of the world may not connect to the same server. The system automatically decides where data should come from and how fast it should be delivered. 2 people, same chart, same moment, yet one sees a delay while another sees missing volume. Why? Because exchanges have rules. Data access depends on licenses. Latency depends on location. What you see on TradingView is not just a price. It's the result of exchange rules, data permissions, and real-time processing. So the next time you open a chart, remember, you're not just watching prices. You're witnessing a global data pipeline running at near light speed. In the next video, we'll break down what's really inside a single candlestick and why most people misunderstand it. Thanks for watching Think How, When, Where and Why. If you want to understand the technologies reshaping our world, subscribe.